Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What is the purpose of Op Center in AWS Systems Manager? Backup database servers. Manage user passwords. Optimize CPU performance. View, investigate, and resolve operational issues related to Amazon Web Services. Op Center in AWS Systems Manager allows users to view, investigate, and resolve operational issues related to Amazon Web Services, providing a centralized location for operational insights and actions. How does AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store help with managing sensitive information? By enabling MFA for EC2 instances. By encrypting S3 buckets. By rotating IAM access keys. By securely storing and managing sensitive data. AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store helps with managing sensitive information by securely storing and managing sensitive data such as passwords, database strings, and API keys in a centralized location. What is AWS Systems Manager Automation? A feature that provides load balancing capabilities. A feature that optimizes CPU performance. A feature that enables you to automate common operational tasks. A feature for managing email notifications. AWS Systems Manager Automation allows you to automate common operational tasks across your resources using predefined workflows, improving efficiency and consistency. What is AWS Systems Manager Fleet Manager used for? Managing your managed instances in a single location. Launching new instances in different regions. Configuring DNS settings. Optimizing memory usage on instances. Fleet Manager in AWS Systems Manager is used for managing your managed instances in a single location, providing a centralized view of your resources and simplifying operational tasks. What is the role of AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store Secure String Parameter Type? To securely store sensitive data such as passwords or API keys. To provision EC2 instances with specific configurations. To manage IAM roles and policies. To store non-sensitive configuration data. AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store Secure String Parameter Type is used to securely store sensitive data such as passwords, API keys, or any other confidential information, ensuring that it is encrypted at rest and in transit. Why would you use AWS Systems Manager Run command? To perform real-time log analysis. To automate common administrative tasks across multiple instances. To manage dynamic DNS entries. To monitor system performance metrics. AWS Systems Manager Run command enables users to automate common administrative tasks across multiple EC2 instances, making it easier to manage and maintain a fleet of instances. What is the role of Patch Manager in AWS Systems Manager? Automate the process of patching operating systems. Manage virtual machine configuration. Optimize network latency. Control access to hardware resources. Patch Manager in AWS Systems Manager automates the process of patching operating systems, making it easier to keep instances up to date with the latest security updates. What is the purpose of State Manager in AWS Systems Manager? Handle user authentication. Optimize database performance. Monitor disk usage. Maintain consistent configuration across instances. State Manager in AWS Systems Manager helps maintain consistent configuration across instances by automatically applying and maintaining desired state configurations. How can AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store help with application deployment? Monitor network traffic for latency issues. Automate memory management for container instances. Store and centrally manage configuration data. Manage IAM policies for EC2 instances. AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store allows users to store and centrally manage configuration data, making it easier to deploy applications across multiple instances with consistent configurations. What does AWS Systems Manager State Manager enable you to do? Optimize storage costs. Monitor application performance. Define and maintain consistent compliance policies. Automatically scale instances based on traffic. State Manager in AWS Systems Manager allows you to define and maintain consistent compliance policies across your instances, improving security and ensuring policy enforcement. What is a key feature of AWS Systems Manager Fleet Manager? Monitor CPU performance of individual instances. Automatically provision EC2 instances. Monitor and manage Windows and Linux systems centrally. Manage data storage on EBS volumes. AWS Systems Manager Fleet Manager allows users to centrally monitor and manage Windows and Linux systems, providing a single console for managing operations across multiple instances. What is AWS Systems Manager? A service for building machine learning models. A service that provides virtual servers in the cloud. A service for managing physical data centers. A service that enables you to automate operational tasks. AWS Systems Manager is a service that enables you to automate operational tasks and manage resources securely at scale. What is the role of Session Manager in AWS Systems Manager? Automate backup schedules. Monitor memory usage. Provide interactive shell access to instances without SSH/RDP. Secure network communications. Session Manager in AWS Systems Manager provides interactive shell access to instances without requiring SSH/RDP, making it easier to manage and troubleshoot instances securely. What is the benefit of using AWS Systems Manager maintenance windows? To optimize network traffic between instances. To monitor disk usage on instances. To enable multi-factor authentication for EC2 instances. To schedule recurring tasks and automate the process of applying updates. AWS Systems Manager maintenance windows allow users to schedule recurring tasks and automate the process of applying updates to reduce manual intervention and ensure consistent maintenance. What is AWS Systems Manager Distributor used for? Creating virtual private clouds. Monitoring disk space usage. Optimizing CPU usage. Managing and distributing software packages. Distributor in AWS Systems Manager is used for managing and distributing software packages across your instances, simplifying software deployment and updates. What is the primary feature of AWS Systems Manager maintenance windows? Optimize CPU usage. Backup data to Amazon Glacier. Define a period of time for managing updates and configurations. Restrict network access. AWS Systems Manager maintenance windows allows users to define a period of time for managing updates and configurations across a fleet of instances, ensuring that critical maintenance tasks are performed within the specified window. What feature of AWS Systems Manager allows you to automate the process of creating and managing AMIs? AWS Systems Manager Task Manager. AWS Systems Manager Application Manager. AWS Systems Manager Image Builder. AWS Systems Manager Configuration Manager. AWS Systems Manager Image Builder is a feature that allows you to automate the process of creating and managing AMIs, including customization and patching, based on predefined recipes. How can AWS Systems Manager automation help with routine administrative tasks? By optimizing load balancing configurations. By limiting outbound traffic from instances. By allowing users to create workflows with predefined steps. By managing SSL/TLS certificates for instances. AWS Systems Manager automation helps with routine administrative tasks by allowing users to create workflows with predefined steps that can be executed on demand or at scheduled intervals. What security benefit does AWS Systems Manager State Manager provide? Monitor API calls in real time. Automate scaling of RDS instances. Encrypt data at rest in S3 buckets. Enforce consistent compliance throughout the environment. AWS Systems Manager State Manager enforces consistent compliance throughout the environment by allowing users to define and track configuration policies and apply them automatically across instances. What does AWS Systems Manager Session Manager allow you to do? Deploy applications on your instances. Securely connect to your instances without the need for SSH or RDP. Automatically scale your instances based on traffic. Monitor CPU usage of your instances. Session Manager in AWS Systems Manager allows you to securely connect to your instances without the need for SSH or RDP, making it easier to manage and troubleshoot instances. What is the function of AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store? Encrypt network traffic. Optimize memory usage. Monitor temperature sensors. Securely store configuration data. AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store is used to securely store configuration data such as passwords, database strings, and license codes, making it easier to manage and access sensitive information securely. Which AWS Systems Manager feature can be used for patching and updating software on EC2 instances? AWS Systems Manager Patch Manager. Amazon Inspector. AWS CloudFormation. AWS OpsWorks. AWS Systems Manager Patch Manager is used for managing software patches and updates on EC2 instances, ensuring they are up to date and secure. When would you use AWS Systems Manager Patch Manager? To monitor incoming network traffic. To configure load balancers. To manage S3 bucket permissions. To automate patch management for EC2 instances. AWS Systems Manager Patch Manager is used to automate patch management for EC2 instances, ensuring that systems are kept up to date with the latest security patches and updates. How does AWS Systems Manager Resource Data Sync help with collecting inventory and configuration data? By synchronizing data from multiple AWS accounts and regions. By compressing data for faster transmission. By restricting access to data based on IAM roles. By enabling real-time data analysis. AWS Systems Manager Resource Data Sync helps with collecting inventory and configuration data by synchronizing data from multiple AWS accounts and regions into a central S3 bucket for centralized management and analysis. What is the purpose of AWS Systems Manager Run command? Monitor network traffic in real time. Automate load balancing configurations. Manage IAM user permissions. Automate common administrative tasks across multiple instances. AWS Systems Manager Run command allows users to automate common administrative tasks across multiple instances, making it easier to manage a large fleet of servers. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.